So let us say we have negative 2x plus 6 is smaller than negative 2. So we would apply the same principle. We would say negative 2x is smaller than 2 minus 6. Therefore, negative 2x is smaller than negative 4. Now, if we multiply both sides by negative 2, we would have x is bigger than plus 2. Notice that when we divide by a negative, the direction of the inequality changes. Now let me show you why that happens. So if we had negative 2x smaller than negative 4, and we move the negative 2x to the right-hand side, it will become plus 2x. And if we move the negative 4 to the left-hand side, it will become plus 4. And notice now the direction of the inequality hasn't changed because we simply moved the negative 2x to the right and the negative 4 to the left. And you're allowed to do that without changing the inequality. Now, in order to solve for x, I can divide both sides by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, and that is smaller than x. So these two results of x bigger than plus 2 or 2 smaller than x is the exact same result. So you read the inequality from the position of x. So x would be bigger than 2. And that is why the direction of the inequality changes when we divide by a negative 2. So it's because when we take the negative 2 and make it positive on the right-hand side, you can see that x is simply on the other side of the inequality, and we read the inequality from the position of x. So x would be bigger than 2.